You know it's a good day when Jay just calls you. He's like, what are you doing? We're going to shoot an OFF. I'm in.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we are switching things up for a couple reasons. One, I have a special guest by the name of
Kevin Bednarz.
Man, myth, legend. You might have seen him on previous old-fashioned Fridays. Current owner of Percival Pub and Ashburn Pub.
Yep.
And
Percival Eats, coming soon.
Coming soon. We don't know when this video is going to be released, but Percival Eats, which is located right off Main Street, and you could walk here from the pub.
Yep.
Yeah, so walking distance from Percival Pub. Tell us a little bit about Percival Eats, bro.
Long story short, we did grilled cheese week at the pub. We had a bunch of cool grilled cheese recipes. Everybody loved it. This space became available, so I look at it like a food truck with no wheels, and we just do grilled cheese, tater tots, milkshake, salad, fingers. Easy, grab and go. Gonna open 3 or 4 days a week. Real simple.
Probably gonna crush. This man crushes everything. This week we're doing a pre-made old-fashioned review. We've only done, I think, 2 of these so far. Found this at the Virginia ABC store. My man Davey Jones picked this up for me. The company is called Batch and Bottle. Here we go, focus. Batch and Bottle is the company that is, I guess, distributing these. And Monkey Shoulder is the brand of the Scotch whiskey.
I'm a little scared.
He's scared of
There's the word Scotch in there.
So they're lazy old-fashioned. Price point of $17.99 at ABC stores throughout Virginia. And yeah, we're only going to do 3 ratings. We're going to do, since we can't do ambiance of the restaurant, which I would love to rate.
I mean, this ambiance would be like a 10.
It'd be a 10, but like it's irrelevant to the actual product that we're reviewing. So we're only going to do 3 ratings. Appearance of the packaging, first sip, and then overall of what we think. So I think we'll go like 3.3 max, 3.3 max, and then 3.4 max for like the overall.
Got it.
All right, so packaging, this is it. We'll give it a whirl, open up. What are you thinking about the packaging?
Packaging's good.
Yeah, I
Clean.
mean,
I like
nice
it.
size, 375 milliliters, so a good amount. That's probably...
For 18 bucks, that's good.
How many do you think? You think 4?
3 or 4.
Yeah, 3 or 4 you could probably get in here. 70 proof, that's cool. I'm assuming this is a cork.
All right.
It is.
I like it.
I like the cork. Yeah, it's clean. Glass, it's gonna be durable.
So at a 3.3 on the look.
3.3.
2.8.
2.8. I think that's more than fair.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna
good.
agree with that. We're gonna pour up and go first sip. Here we go.
Woo. Scared.
I don't know why. I didn't eat yet today.
I told you I had to get a bite of something.
I don't know why I poured that much.
You know it's a good day when Jay just calls you. He's like, what are you doing? We're gonna shoot an OFF. I'm in.
And it's 12:30 in the afternoon.
Let's go.
All right, first sip. Here we go. It smells like it's got a punch to
That's
it,
all
brother.
right.
It smells like it's got a punch.
Sweeter than I thought.
Okay.
The first hit tasted good.
Yeah.
Then it settled in. Nah. Not so
See,
good.
I thought it was going to be a huge punch.
No, it's not that strong.
No, it's not. So I actually like that.
Right.
But this man drinks bourbon on ice, and that's it.
Gasoline.
Yeah, so like he doesn't even drink mixed drinks or old fashioned. So like this is definitely gonna be sweeter for his palate.
But the first taste was good,
Yeah.
but when it finished, it was a little rough.
Sure, I got the same thing.
So 3.3, I'm just gonna go with 2.
Flat 2.
Flat 2.
I like the sweetness. I'm gonna go 2.2, and then we have to finish this.
You did that because you went 2.8, so you got easy math.
Okay.
Even though you are math.
Okay, he's
even
questioning my math now.
Even though you do math like no one I've ever seen.
Okay.
You'll be like 2.8, 4.2, 9.9.
But yeah, what else about Percival Eats can we expect while we finish these?
I tried to come up with a good tagline, so I said no frills, just grills. So people are gonna come in and want sauteed onions and all kinds of crazy stuff. It's white bread, wheat bread, sub rolls, maybe gluten-free bread,
Yeah.
6 different kinds of cheese, some toppings, in and out. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm a big fan of like 80s hip hop and skateboard art and stuff like that, so
Yeah.
we decked the whole place out. But it's like a food truck with no wheels. Like if we open on Friday, we might run out of food by Sunday, and that's just the way it goes.
No, Kev,
Simple.
you did all the graffiti in here,
Yeah.
I'm assuming, right?
It was fun.
Yeah, so when you come in, we'll show B-roll shots of it. Like, you'll see the graffiti up on the wall, which is compliments of him. So the overall decor is like super vibey in here. They got a full sticker wall here when you come up to order and pay, which is dope.
Bring your stickers.
Where did you get these stickers?
My kid bought them on
there's
Amazon,
like 1,000
and then
of
I
them.
called people out. They brought them in, so we're gonna make it a thing. If people bring a sticker and they want to put it on the wall, we'll put it on. But if they want to drop them off, we got a whole wall of stickers. Just keep it fun.
I'm gonna get a Virginia's for Grubbers sticker, massive.
This isn't getting better as we go.
No, it's.
Is it because I took a bite of my sandwich?
No. I don't know how to explain it. It's so usually the ice will melt a little bit. By the way, I'm using my own glasses and my own ice, which I should probably get a lot of shit for because I don't have clarified ice in my own personal collection, which I'm working on that. All right, I'm working on negotiating some things with some clarified ice folks around Virginia, trying to barter some stuff. But usually when it melts a little bit, it would help. I don't know.
I think the difference, because you got me, it said old-fashioned cocktail made with blended malt Scotch whiskey.
Yeah.
And you would think, as much as I'm in the bar business and he does old fashions, like I'm still confused sometimes on the difference of the blends and the whiskeys because everybody labels it weird. But if this has a Scotch blend to it, I think that's the weird taste I'm getting.
It's 1,000,000% that taste.
Right? It's got that Scotchy taste, which I don't like.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Scotch either.
But if this was a bourbon old fashioned with whatever sweet they put in there, I think it'd be pretty good.
Might be a little better.
So I think that's what's throwing me off.
DJ Flo's a big fan of Scotch, and he got me to drink Macallan one night, and that was the only night I threw up in the last 10 years of my life. But
well, wait till tonight.
Yeah. So I taste that same kind of, I'm like remembering that night when I sip this because of the Scotch flavor, but.
I'm not mad at it.
Yeah. The first sip was actually a lot better than the last like 4 or 5.
So overall,
which is different.
Ooh, I gotta go 1.7.
He's going 1.7. I'm gonna go 1.9. I did 2.2 and 2.85. And then what did I say for that? 1.9. So 6.9. 6.5, 6.9.
Not bad.
Batch and bottle.
For $18, you get a good amount. So if you like it, I think it's a good value.
If you're into Scotch, I would recommend giving this a whirl. Us not being Scotch fans, probably not the best 2 people to do it, but it is what it is. Percival Eats, coming soon, located obviously in Percival, Virginia. More details, info, and a lot of whole other stuff is coming very, very soon on that. Batch and bottle, 6.5, 6.9. Virginia is for Grubbers. Kev Bednarz.
Cheers.
My guy.